Ow! Hi guys, my name is Indigo. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Ooh, that feels so weird to do in my house. This is like the first time I'm actually ever doing like a video in my house. I'm gonna show you guys my apartment. So I told you guys like way back in October that I was moving, and that was true. I also did tell you guys that I was gonna document the whole thing and make sure to take you guys along, and I did do just that. It's not perfect, because I am not a vlogger. You guys know this. If you guys haven't watched my last video, make sure to watch it over here. I did a little rant about how toxic society is against women. Last video of 2020, thank God. Oh my God, I'm so happy this year is over. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and let's get started.
Hey, ewa salame, baba klopapir, ewa salame, zinzalbim, ewa salame, hey, hey.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
I haven't shaved. This is very random, I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm just gonna let you guys know like kind of what's going on right now. So basically I've been here for about like 2 to 3 weeks, I think. I don't even know anymore. I came in here completely like bare. I just had my bed for like the first couple weeks, so I didn't film it because it was really boring. I probably should have showed the apartment while it was still empty. So that kind of makes me a little bit mad. It's still empty enough. Nothing really has come in, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. So this is the apartment. Ooh, dang. Honestly, it's very spacious. The camera is making it look very small. We have all stainless steel appliances everywhere in the house. I also bought like a matching trash can for it. And a little matching drying rack. Excuse the mess, I just literally washed the dishes. But yeah, it's very pretty. I really love the whole stainless steel appliance thing going on everywhere. And also the floor is gray, which is something that I absolutely live for. I live for gray floors so much. Here we have the bathroom. So there's some water damage here. They're gonna come in and fix this like literally tomorrow. I know, it's so gross. That's from the last person that was here. This is the bath. Now you'll notice that there's actually no shower head here, which is really confusing at first, but then if you take a look behind us, you'll see that we actually have an entire shower, like literally separate, which is so freaking dope. And it came with a squeegee. How freaking dope is that? A toilet, very iconic. You need one of those, ideally. And here's the countertop, and like I'm kind of shirtless right now, so like don't even look at me. But like, yeah, so this is the little mirror thing, and this opens into this little beautiful stunning van. No, that's not a vanity. I don't know what it is. But yeah, so this is where I keep all my actual cosmetics. You can go ahead and pause it to see which ones I actually use. This is just a whole bunch of storage stuff. Yes, Calvin Klein underwear. I had to buy new underwear, so that's why that's there. And then here's the room. So this is where I spend the most of my entire day. This is honestly very big, especially for like Los Angeles standards. This is the master bedroom, but it's literally the only bedroom, so work, I guess. I bought these super cute little end tables, and I'm using them as nightstands. You'll see why when the rest of the stuff comes in. This is like not the end of my vision whatsoever. It is very small, but I'm really grateful for what I have, and at the end of the day, I don't need anything bigger than this. This is the perfect size for me. I hate walking, so the fact that I can just go from my room to my kitchen in like 10 seconds, that's the best part. But yeah, one last look before we fill it up. I'm gonna fill you guys in on what happens with this table tomorrow. I'm gonna have to figure out how to build this by myself.
48 hours later.
This is the table. I need to do something about this AC thing because it is just bothering me. So I built this myself. I really said Minecraft. I said crafting table, 4 wooden plank, 1 iron bar. Like I really did that. And I also built the chairs. This was way harder than the actual table, which made no sense to me, but I guess it does because like, you know, bitch gonna be sitting on that. So you really gotta like do stuff about it or something. But yeah, it's cute. I'm kind of a little upset because I really thought that these 2 woods were going to be the same color, because online they looked at the same exact color. It's whatever. And I also didn't pay too much for this, so it's not even that big of a deal. I actually have gotten a lot more furniture in the past couple of days, like way more than I expected. We have this whole pile of boxes in the back. So annoying to have these around, but you know what? It's whatever because we got some really cute furniture, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So this is like the bare bones idea of what this area is going to be. Like pretend this is all gone, because this is obviously going to be gone. We've got a little modular sofa from Row Concept. Super freaking adorable. I was looking for one that was even more modern without the stuff in the back, because I just really like modular sofas like that. You can see we've got the whole grayscale thing going. I'm still trying to figure this shit out, dude. It's so hard. I built this upside down and then I fixed it, and then I realized that this top thing I actually built backwards, so I have to flip it over, I have to deconstruct it. So I tried to do that last night. You guys have no idea how excited I am to have this rug, because this rug was so hard to find in the exact color that I wanted, and also the exact dimensions, because these dimensions are weird. Normally when you have like a custom area like this and you really just want to get everything right, you're gonna have to get a custom rug. I really thought I was gonna have to do that and spend like $2,000, but I actually ended up finding this exact carpet on Wayfair for $150. So y'all know I hopped on that real quick. I was like, add to cart. There was only one left. I was like, and I'm gonna put a projector screen in the center because I got a gaming projector and a home theater system that's also a surround system. So basically that means the audio is coming from the corners and behind. So we're gonna get that full-on movie experience with the whole wall being a video gaming area, which I'm super excited for. Now typically, projectors are really known to be like very wonky and not really like the best when it comes to video gaming, because you really need like low input lag. Ideally something underneath 24 milliseconds. And also sometimes projectors, they just look very washed out. Like I don't know if you guys ever had any like in school and they would like put down like the presentation boards and you could barely see what was on it because it was like so bright outside. So that is not the case with this one at all. By the way, not sponsored. Nothing in this video is sponsored. This is the BenQ something ABC EFD HIJ KLMNOP. I'm pretty confident this is going to be like the one. Anyways, so projector aside, pretty much all the heavy building is now done. Now we can do the fun stuff. So you guys are gonna start getting more into the vlogs and stuff. We're gonna start doing like actual vlogs.
3 weeks later.
Okay, we parked at A8. We're at Key. Happy birthday, Mom. Girl, I guess apparently this is Disney or something because they got us going through these gates. I look like a corpse husband. Tiny little window shopping moment. So we just came back. Everything's really dirty because we're really trying to set everything up, and also some just like bedding and stuff. We got the panels to go behind the bed. That's gonna look really cool. We're also bringing up some curtains for this. Got another mirror. I love mirrors, can you tell?
12 o'clock midnight.
Okay, it's the next day. I got a couple mirrors and I also set up a couple things up, but I'm not gonna show y'all that yet. But anyways, I decided to add like LED strips like right behind my mirror, and I'm gonna go ahead and just plug it in. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Yes, I ran out on the corner, but like literally who cares? I'm gonna put these up, but I'm not gonna show you what it looks like until the end of the video, so stay tuned. Also, I had to dissolve my acrylics like a while ago, and it's still, like this still won't come off, and it looks so gross. The water is coming out hot and it's pushing upwards. It's still coming up. It's been like an hour. Yes, but look at the fit though. Y'all won't catch me lacking.
End of flashback.
Alrighty guys, present time, welcome back. So what happened with the flooding, you might ask? I have no idea. Believe it or not, that actually was not the first flood that happened. That's the only one that actually got documented. But there was like major flooding, like going from like the light over there, and it was chugging down water like it was like a water park. It was so freaking terrifying, especially because at that moment I didn't have renter's insurance. I guess in a sense the whole flooding and stuff is also like a really good thing, because I've also started learning like a lot of different things that I didn't know I would need to know, if that makes sense. Now I rarely feel like an adult, guys. So you guys might actually be mad at me, but I told you guys I'm bad at vlogging, and the house is actually completely done, right? Well, it's not completely done, but for the most part it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Before we do that, I want to talk about a lot of things that I've learned in the past 2 months just living on my own. Girl, they steal your money from everywhere. Oh my gosh. There is a bill for literally everything on this freaking planet. I'm so annoyed. Can you guys believe that you have to pay like $200 like the first time you ever get electricity if you don't have credit? And I don't have credit because I'm 12 years old. But the good thing is, as you guys can see right now, I am a vampire. I don't like the light. I hate the light. So my light bill is minuscule. It is almost non-existent. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, enough rambling. Time for you guys to see the final thing.
Alrighty guys, so this is how things are looking so far. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on these lights. I actually have not used these lights since I moved in here, like after I installed everything completely. But yeah, here is like a little entertainment center. Now you guys notice that there is a very big thing missing here. And that's because if you go a little upwards, ewa, there's the projector.
Right now this area looks a little dead, and that's because she is. Like, I'm gonna show you guys what it actually looks like when it's fully lit up, because there's a lot of technical stuff going on there.
Now if you guys will notice, I actually put up the mirrors. Oh my gosh, y'all, this was literally a pain and a half to do. But if you guys will see, this is like studded to the wall, and this was like a hell and back to put on.
I cried many times trying to put it up. Yes, I know. I was pissed as hell. I had to buy like 20 million different screws. I made a couple holes in the wall. There's still a nail right there that we're not gonna talk about.
As for the kitchen, nothing much has really changed here. I might put some LED strips like on the bottom, like some yellow ones as well, just so I can kind of have like a night light during the night. I hate having this light on. I'm only having it on right now for like demonstration purposes, but this is fully what it looks like 24/7. I don't know, I just like ambient lighting way better. As you guys can see, the position of my ottoman, I don't really know how to pronounce it, has changed. That used to be over there, but now it's over there. I might move it back over there because y'all, I kind of want to start Twitch streaming, and I might make like a whole PC setup here. I don't know. It's an 80% chance. But for now, this is just where I work out, a little space that I have. Also, if you guys remember Drakini Martini, I don't remember if I showed you guys her, but yeah, she's dying. She's not feeling well. Anyways, we spent too much time in the living room. Let's go to my bedroom. Okay, so without any of the gimmicks I'm about to show y'all, this is my bedroom. Look at the little ender rods from Minecraft. Yes, mama, fully. 4 wooden oak and a 4x4 of dark wood slab. 1 gray Minecraft bed. You know the vibes. Oh, hey, and this is like my little mirror. Not little, but my mirror. And if you guys are thinking right now, the house looks like a little anticlimactic, that's cause it's not alive yet. Let me show you where the real life of this house comes in. Ooh! I got LEDs that change into any single color of the rainbow with just the tap of a phone, y'all. This was definitely the most important part for me, because like I love to change my mood so much. This literally makes my house look fake, and I am here for it. And the same goes for the living room. It's hooked up on the same thing, so it changes all colors whenever I want it to. And to get the full experience, that does not happen in person, but whatever. So yeah guys, that is where I'm at right now with my house. I have no idea how this vlog came out, so we'll see what future me pulled. I hope my house photographed in the way that it looks in person, because in person it looks spectacular. Like everybody that's seen it, they love it, they're obsessed. I know this apartment isn't a lot, but like in comparison of last year when I didn't even have a home, now is just insane to me. And I'm like forever grateful. Thank you guys so much for like, you know, allowing me to basically have all of this stuff. It's so crazy to think that this is all mine. Like it still hasn't really like set in that like I worked for this and this is mine. It feels so good, but at the same time it's also really scary because like the pressure is on now, which I'm sure like anybody that's out of the house can relate. Wow, 19 in the middle of Los Angeles alone, living in an apartment, that's kind of like actually somewhat pretty. It's like just beyond me. That's really crazy. Like I said before, super thankful. I did not make this video to flex or gloat or anything, but rather take you guys along the journey of whatever this is, and also to just kind of share what you've given me. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. So I think that's pretty much this video. I don't know what else to talk about. If I do have any additional stuff in the future, I will show you guys in other videos, just like a little short clip. But for the most part, that is pretty much it for the house. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for being around here. Happy New Year. This is the last video that I'm making of the year. I will be posting on Saturday as well. The next video will still be in this house because there's renovations going on in the studio. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like my art, if you guys like my energy, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and I will see you guys in the future. Bye.